If you're an Amazon seller that wants to scale up your business by running some Amazon ads, then keep watching this video because I'm gonna be explaining to you the 4 different ad types that I strongly recommend every Amazon seller should be running. Now, every seller or even buyer knows about these sponsored product ads. Those are the basically sponsored listing that shows up in the search results. So I'm gonna be talking about that, but I'm also gonna be talking about 3 other ad types that are going to really help you with retargeting, help you with standing out from your competition, and overall helping you scale up your business and reach people on and off Amazon. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Before we jump into it, just real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I run an Amazon marketing agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots at very affordable prices. After we take those photos, then we edit those images up into high-converting, sales-driving infographics by inserting powerful sales copy that drives Amazon shoppers to make a purchase. We also create videos that can be used in multiple places on product detail pages, as well as PPC ads and TikTok ads. So if you want to get access to our free Amazon listing checklist, browse our blogs, or book a free consulting call with me, then go to emamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. In case you didn't know, more product searches begin on Amazon than any other search engine, including twice as much as Google. This goes hand in hand with Amazon being the #1 destination for online shopping, with more than 200 million Prime members in the USA. Over $31 billion was spent on Amazon advertising in 2021 alone and is continuing to grow in 2022. Your goal as a seller should be to be on the first page of the search results because more than 70% of Amazon shoppers don't even click past the first page, and 35% of Amazon shoppers click on the first product featured on the search results page. All right, so here are those 4 Amazon ad types every seller needs to be leveraging. Number 1 is sponsored brand ads. Now, you do need to get registered, become a registered brand with Amazon, but basically this is another form of PPC advertising. Sponsored brand ads are keyword targeted banner ads that appear at the very top of the search results page. Also known as headline search ads, these ads feature 3 different products, the brand logo, and up to 50 characters in the copy. With these types of ads, you can link shoppers directly to the product detail page or to the actual brand storefront. So now let me share my screen and show you a little bit more about these ads so you can see more what they look like. Okay, so this is like Amazon's, sponsored brands landing page basically, but I'm just gonna scroll all past this stuff and show you some of these examples right here. So as you can see, this is the search results page. You can have like a featured video, and that's gonna really grab a lot of attention. I'm gonna talk about that next here in a second. You can have like a 3-column kind of brand feature. Now this is what I just talked about. You have your logo right there, and then you've got 3 featured Amazon ASINs right there. Here you have another similar one where you got the logo, then you have 3 different categories. Now if you got a big product lineup, then this would be more a better ad for you because you can show different categories of products that you actually have. And then this is how it would look on mobile. You got your featured image, you got some ASINs that are featured, and you've got your brand logo right there. So these are obviously a great way to show your brand, which is gonna build trust, credibility, and overall brand authority with shoppers, and it's gonna really help you with cross-selling other items in your lineup and getting those repeat customers, those very loyal customers that are buying from you over and over and over. Now, the second ad type that I wanna tell you about, and my personal favorite, is sponsored brands video ads. Now, this was launched in early 2020 and allows brands to create video ads that appear in the search results. These videos can be as short as 6 seconds and as long as 45 seconds. I highly recommend this ad type as you will severely stand out from your competition because not many sellers are running these kinds of ads right now. Now, if you need help with getting these types of videos created, then please do reach out to me and my team. Go to emamz.com. We create a lot of these videos for our different clients, and you can use these videos obviously in the search results as a sponsored brand ad, but also on your listing in multiple places. So investing in getting these kind of videos created is a very good investment because you can use it in many places around on Amazon and then off Amazon on the different social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. All right, so now let me show you Amazon's cool little landing page that they have about sponsored video ads. Feel free to pause the video at any time on this screen share part. So here you go, sponsored brands video, product overview, kind of a little example of what it's gonna look like. This is probably what it's gonna look like on mobile. One cool thing about these videos is that they will play automatically and take up a lot of the screen. You can put subtitles in these videos, which is going to intrigue people and get people to actually wanna click the little speaker button so that they can actually listen to the sound. Here are a few creative guidelines and best practices. You wanna know your audience and know what to show them in order to grab attention. You wanna show your product, obviously show how it's used and kind of show them how easy it is to use or how easy it is to set up. You wanna keep it brief and focused. Amazon actually recommends 15 to 30 seconds. I would recommend personally 30 to 45 seconds because if you do a good job of hooking them within that first 5 to 10 seconds, then you can hold their attention for 45 seconds. And then the more attention that you hold from them, the more likely they will to click on that and more likely actually add to cart and buy it. Next, you want to optimize for the format. So knowing that it auto plays without sound, you want to do things that are going to grab attention and get them to want to click on that speaker like I just mentioned. Lastly, Amazon says to consider the loop. Once the video ends, it'll loop back around. So if you want to have a nice little last 3 seconds of the video that will kind of make it seem seamless so that it just kind of loops around and it just seems like it's a infinite long video, that's a really cool little touch, knowing that you're going to be using that specific video for a sponsored brand video ad, showing up in the search results. I really do recommend this is the #1 ad format that you put majority of your attention and focus on because it's going to grab the most attention from the shoppers. I mean, me personally, I get caught watching these videos in the search results, and I do typically at least click on and explore that product detail page. Now, before I move on to the next Amazon ad type, here are the actual video and audio specifications. So if you want to pause this and copy this down, screenshot this, so that when you make your video, then you know that you're doing it with the right specs. All right, so now let's talk about some sponsored display ads. These are fast-acting ads that appear on product detail pages based on the targeting options selected and are used for both offensive and defensive targeting. When I say defensive targeting, I mean that on your actual product listing page, you can have your own ads showing up so that your competitors are not showing up on your ads, which is going to decrease the chances of you losing a sale to one of your competitors. These types of ads are also really great for cross-selling and showing your shoppers the different products that you may have in your lineup. Ultimately, these are great for converting window shoppers to buyers. One key advantage is that sellers can retarget shoppers who have yet to make a purchase after viewing the product detail page. Retargeting shoppers keeps the product at the top of their mind and increases the likelihood of making a sale. If you're not too familiar with retargeting, I highly recommend it because it's a way of following up and kind of chasing them around the Amazon website and actually getting them to purchase your product just in case they didn't actually impulsively purchase it right away. These are really great for more higher ticket products because people have to think about it. If it's $100, if it's a $200 product, then people may have to think about it a little bit longer than just, seeing a $30 product and buying it because it's not going to make a big impact on their actual bank account. All right, so now let me show you my screen and show you Amazon's little landing page for this. So you see sponsored display, discover, engage, and inspire. That's what these ads look like. They're really just, kind of similar to ads that you'll see out on other websites off of Amazon. Here are a few examples right here. So on the actual product detail page, it can be like a banner across the top. On Twitch, on a different website, you'll see it as a banner across the top looking like that. You can have this little square style banner on different websites off of Amazon. And here's another little example right here and right here. Now, one of the really cool things about this type of ad format is that it doesn't take you designing a whole bunch of images. Amazon kind of puts these images together. As you can see, they got your logo, a little bit of copy, and then overall the main listing. Amazon will compile this and then you can do it for on and off Amazon retargeting purposes. And ultimately, it's going to really help you with capturing those window window shoppers, people that were just browsing, to actually bringing them back and actually getting them to buy your product. Now, the fourth ad type is most likely one that you already know about. It's pretty much just sponsored product ads. So these keyword targeted ads appear in line with other organic search results and across a variety of other sponsored widgets and placements on product detail pages. Basically, they help you show up at the top of the search results, and you can really only just promote one single product. One key benefit to these ads is that while many customers may see the ad, the brand is only charged for those that actually click on it. These type of ads blend in really well with the rest of the search results, providing customers with the idea that the product is popular and useful rather than being a paid ad. The goal is to drive conversions with a focus on keywords and product level relevance. Two types of sponsored product campaigns to be aware of are automatic and manual targeting. Automatic allows sellers to name their budget, then Amazon will do the behind the scenes work. Great for those starting out with PPC ads and useful for identifying relevant keywords. Manual campaigns requires sellers to choose their own keywords and is best for those experienced PPC ad managers. All right, so real quick, let me share my screen and show you a little bit more about these sponsored products. Right here's a quick little screenshot. Basically, in the search results, you'll show up at the top, it will say sponsored. The unexperienced Amazon shopper will probably just miss that little sponsored line of text, but some shoppers will see that and they may not, me personally, they may not buy it because they see that. I don't really like to click on these sponsored ads. I like to more click on the organic rankings because I'm a more seasoned veteran when it comes to shopping on Amazon. And I typically I'll see the sponsored at the top and then I'll see them ranking really high organically. So really, I like to go with a lot of reviews and ultimately what is ranking at the top. That's me personally as a shopper. So there is a bonus type of Amazon ad that I just wanted to talk about, and that is Amazon DSP. So this demand side platform allows advertisers to proactively reach highly qualified targeted audiences with display and video ads on and off Amazon. Sellers and vendors can programmatically buy ads to reach audiences on and off Amazon. It can be used to drive traffic off the Amazon platform and onto the brand's website. While this allows advertisers to have a granular targeting option, it comes with a big catch, a $50,000 campaign budget in order to use them. Self-service and managed service options are available though. Self-service customers are in full control of their campaigns, so it's similar to going into the Amazon ads platform and building out your own campaigns. The managed service option is designed for companies that want access to Amazon DSP inventory with consultative service, or for those with limited programmatic advertising experience. If you work with an Amazon preferred partner like Orca Pacific, sellers may be able to bypass this $50,000 campaign budget requirement. All right, so those are my 4 Amazon ad types that I recommend sellers be running. DSP is a little bit of a bonus, but you gotta have a big budget in order to do that. Now you may be able to bypass that, but hopefully this video was helpful for you in educating you on the different ad types that you need to be exploring and testing around with. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.